it back up, you have to enter the key and open it up. Let's do it again. I'd rather keep this in here. I'd rather keep the key in. Okay, now it's time to test the other alarm. I was doing the fire alarms first, then the sirens. That one's operated by a switch, and this one's operated by a pull station. And these switches operate that one, except for this one. This is just a switch that doesn't work. These switches work. I'll do this one first, even because it's the quietest out of all. It tries to go down like that, so I have to hold it up. It tries to go down like that, so I have to hold it up. Yes, I do have the MS-190. Okay, time to set off the loudest of them all. The switch goes down and it goes off. And it does have a mode selector, but I'd rather not change it right now. So yeah, those are all the alarms I currently have. I might have more in the future, but right now, peace out.